to talk today. This video is on storing and doing vacuum pack and dehydration. Because that's how I do most of my bell peppers that I get from my garden. I grow a lot of bell peppers because I use a lot of bell peppers all throughout the year in soups and meatloafs and gravies. Anything you would do that really is good. I like it dry because they're concentrated. And this is my Excalibur. I have tried those round ones, and they put heat, but what really does it for me is, after all these years of trying different ones, is they having a heat and a fan to blow out all of the moisture out of, and it's a lot faster, as you can imagine, than just having, maybe you just stick it in your oven, which you can do, but this does it better. I got this online, and they do have different prices, and I got this one because, but the pricier ones have time you turn it off, but I can do my own timing. Now the other thing is, when they're done, I put them in jars, and this is my last batch, and so I'm going to be sealing that. Now I'm going to show you the different things that you can use to seal, and I do mine. I cannot afford those big food saver machines. They're $200+, and I have found this kind of method, and I wanted to share it with you. This is a Food Fresh, I know I can see and get my finger out of the way. Food Fresh, a Fresh Saver, also by Food Saver. And I bought this one. This is the cheapest one. I'm cheap. Okay, so I bought this at Walmart, and they have also the big $200+ machines too from a Food Saver. And the other thing that they have is all the rolls. Well, you know, I like to reuse things, and you can't reuse those things. So let me introduce you to the Food Saver, and this is these, and I've only seen these online, and I'll put that down below. This is for wide mouth that you want to do, or if you want to do some small. I do a lot of mushrooms, and I put them in smaller. I dehydrate, and what you do with these, is you just put these caps on, and I'm gonna, these I buy two. Have you seen these? These are little packets they put in, so it's oxygen absorber, and so I just put them in the top. Now this will last. It'll last until you open it, and have no problem. Okay, see inside there, and so I'm gonna put in a top, a wide mouth top. I set that on there. There's no rings involved in this. And then I just push that on. It's tight. It's really tight. And so I'm going to show you how wonderful this is. And there's a lot of airspace between my stuff. So here it goes. It's going to be noisy. Here it is. All right, that's it. It turned itself off. So now everything is vacuum packed. And so let me pull this off. It takes a minute or so. There's a lot of air in there, and there it is. It's all in there, and I'm going to show you how vacuum packed. Are you ready to hear? Here it is. Isn't that great? Oh, I just love it, and it's, how easy is that? Yeah, that takes a minute or so, but my. Now the other thing that comes with this little gizmo is they also sell gallon bags that you see right here in this little circle, that you just put this down, and whatever you put in here just sucks it right dry. So this is good for some leftovers I put in the refrigerator, or sometimes I'll put stuff in the freezer. And the other size that it comes in, I'm sorry, I'm bumping my camera around here, is quart size. And I use a lot in quart size. As I say, it's excellent. But you can find all of this if your Walmart, it does sell it. I just want to introduce you to vacuum packing food, and especially dry foods. And I have Yeah, I cheat kind of a little bit. You're not supposed to put liquid stuff in here, but sometimes I'll put that up and stick this over here like this so the liquid stays down. But sometimes you get liquid in here, you can just pull this off and wash it, make sure it's really dry, and then stick it back on there. It's very cool. As I say, the small ones, if you want to put other things on, comes with the smaller one, and each one you have to buy. And I'll put all that down below. As I said, I've never found these in a store anywhere. But also, what is nice about this, of course, this is, I think it was like $20 at Walmart. But the other ones that are online are really nice. This one you have to plug in and recharge. Right here, you plug in right there and you recharge. But the other ones come with a recharger, and you just slip it in there and just leave it on your counter. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you and to encourage you to dehydrate your foods. As I said, there's many ways. You can do it solar. But I found down here in Mississippi, it's just too humid. It calls flies, and there just isn't enough as the humidity. So I don't even try to do it solar, which you can do. Just do a screen and just put your stuff on top, and that is good for a lot of people, but not me. So that's why I have my dehydrator. This also comes with sheets, so you can make your own what they call fruit leather or fruit roll-ups for your kids, and they have all sorts of recipes that come with this dehydrator. And as I said, I love it. This actually resides on my kitchen, my outdoor kitchen, and because it's heat, it does create quite a bit of heat in my house, and it's it's 80-90 degrees out, so I don't want to anyway, so this is it. And if you have any questions or any comments, or how I can ever or any other thing you would like for me to show you, but I'll tell you, this to vacuum pack your food and dehydrate them is really the way to go. So thanks for watching, and comment, and please subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next video.